Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another video on lip products, and today's theme of the video is going to be wonyoung inspired lip products like bunny tongue, gorgeous lip glosses, jelly lip looks, that type of vibe. I love wonyoung's like lip products. Like every time she posts like an Instagram picture, I'm just like, oh my god, her makeup looks so good, first of all, but also like, what is that lip product that she's wearing? Well, I did a little bit of digging and found some really good lookalikes, or like lip products are kind of like wonyoung inspired lip products. Let's get into it. The first product is from Florette. First of all, the packaging, guys, kind of like the burn book vibe, like, you know, from Mean Girls, like the font and everything is kind of like, and it's clear and it's just like really cute, basically. Florette is a Chinese brand. I love Chinese beauty brands so much. If there's a Sephora VIV sale, I usually just stock up on skincare, because makeup, I always go to my East Asian beauty brands, like Korean, Japanese, Chinese, they're all so good. So this is the Florette like liquid lip gloss. 这是花洛莉亚的固体唇蜜，它的色儿是04号，好心动. So that's that. The only font is in Chinese. That's what it looks like. Oh my, are you serious? Like, are you serious? Like, look at that shine, look at that glaze, look at that sheen. And that pigmentation, guys, like, are you serious? This is literally what wonyoung's lips look like though. So I'm gonna put it on. Look at how easily it applies. And since it is like a little heart shape, you know what I mean? Like it's a heart, not like a round thing. It's really easy to like draw out the lip line. You know what I mean? Like I feel like 就这些小细节 just makes putting on lip products so much easier. It is the most beautiful pink. Like it's like a pink showing up a little cranberry red, but it's so pigmented. Like, look at how pigmented it is. You literally just need this one product. If you're going out with your girlfriends, if you're going out on a date, this color will do just the trick. It is so pretty, and it smells like watermelon or something. It smells good. There's like not a sticky feeling on your lips, even though it's like a lip gloss vibe. It kind of feels like a lip balm. So it's like literally just all the good things combined into one thing. Like it feels like a lip balm. Like that is just perfect. So yeah, obsessed. And yeah, just literally glide it on your lips. You don't even need a mirror like I did. I just used my phone and it glides on perfectly. And it just looks like the bunny tongue like lip product vibe. It's so nice, and I'm going to be linking it down below. Like in all my lip product videos, I don't want to take this color off because it's so nice and I'm obsessed. Second product, I also don't think I've ever like spoken about this. This is from another Chinese brand. It's called Hey Tu. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got this a couple of years ago, not a couple of years ago, like not recently, not this year. And I just feel like, you know, right off the bat, the packaging is not as cute as the previous one, but it still is really cute and compact, and you know, it's small, so it's really easy to like transport around in your bags. It's not like a bulky lip product. Very, very small. So this is a lip gloss in the shade 003. It also is like the most beautiful gloss. It has, oh my god, guys, the sheen of this is like gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. This is just the most beautiful light pink shade, very pigmented lip gloss. Like pigmented for a lip gloss, not as pigmented as the other one, but good enough for a lip gloss. The most beautiful baby pink watermelon peel bunny tongue color, the most perfect pinky nude lip color. I'm gonna put it on quickly, and the doe foot applicator is like perfect. Like it's like the most perfect doe foot because it's like a plushy doe foot. That is so pretty. It's just so glossy and nice, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So this one tastes, why am I like tasting it by accident? But smells really good. Smells like fruity, you know, like a classic lip gloss fruity scent, but not sticky at all. Very, very like shiny lip gloss, very, very lightweight for a lip gloss, which I love. It's not sticky, it's not heavy, and it feels really good on the lips. The doe foot is great. The packaging is small and compact. The color is beautiful. I have some others from this line, but I just feel like this one is most similar to like how glossy, you know, wonyoung's lips usually look like. It is like the perfect bunny tongue lip color. Very, very beautiful light pink, and I'm just so obsessed with this and highly recommend this. I'm gonna try to find it as well and link it down below, because I think it is just the most perfect gloss if you're looking for a gorgeous nudie pink lip gloss. I feel like I've talked about this gloss before, but I just want to talk about it again because this is from a like North American beauty line finally. I feel like I've just been down the rabbit hole of like Korean, Chinese, Japanese beauty products this year, but I love it. Anyways, I also love NARS. NARS is like my favorite North American beauty brand. The packaging of this is gorgeous as well. It's their lip gloss, and I have so many from this line because it's so good. This is the what line is this? Afterglow Lip Shine lip gloss. Get it from Sephora. You know, it's almost the VIB sale, so it's a perfect opportunity to stock up. Like whenever it's the VIB sale, I only get NARS lip products just because they're so good. This is in the shade Chelsea Girls. I have two because I'm so obsessed. So it's very similar to the Hey Tour one. Hey Tour one. And it's a little bit darker, but it's also like very shiny. It's not as shiny as the other one, but it has like a nice sheen to it, so it's not as glossy, but I think the color really makes up for it because it is so beautiful. It's like a peachy corally nudish color, like a deeper nude. My Lips But Better. I'm gonna put it on. It's really, really stunning and looks great for natural makeup, or if you have heavier makeup on, it's just perfect. I'm gonna try it on. Literally so gorgeous. Like if I wear it at work, like my coworker friend will be like, oh my god, what color is that? Just because it's perfect for every day. It's like, again, the most gorgeous glossy My Lips But Better. It adds a lot to your complexion, makes you look more lively, like很有气色的一个颜色. So yeah, and again, the packaging is gorgeous as well. Like if you want to take pictures with it, it's a great prop. Love this color so much. The feeling on your lips, very lightweight once again, very like slippery, not like sticky, not sticky at all, which I'm a big fan of. Been using it for years and it's just gorgeous. It is a great wonyoung lip color dupe. It's shiny, it's pink, but not like super pink, so this is like a more wearable dupe, you know what I mean? A little more coral, a little more warm tone, so really, really love it. And this I'll definitely be able to link down below because it is very accessible from Sephora. The last color, guys, is from a brand called Mistine, and a lot of you have corrected me that this is not a Chinese brand, it's a Thai brand, which love that as well. Love my Thai beauty brands. Just like big in China, I think, because I don't know why my packaging is Chinese on it. Packaging wise, are you serious? Like every time I whip this out, it's just like, what lip product is that? You know, that type of vibe. It's just like, what is that? It's low key. It doesn't even look like a lip product, but it is. So let's swatch her. This is in the color J08, little doe foot applicator, and this is definitely wonyoung vibe 100% because it is super like cool tone pink. Obviously, as you can tell, compared to the other three swatches, very pink. Like it's a cool tone pink, which I personally like for my skin tone. For me, I just feel like I like wearing cool tone blush more. I also like using cool tone lip products more as well. So this is kind of what it looks like when you put it on, like not super thick, because I took out the doe foot and I put it on my hands, swatched on my hands, and then I used the rest to put on my lips. So this is like what a light coat looks like. It's already super pigmented, super pretty. I think it's enough and perfect. Smells good. It feels very lightweight on the lips. Again, the formula is great. All these formulas are really great because it's very important to me, because I really do not like a sticky lip product. Like that's like sensory overload, you know, like something about that drives me crazy, and I get overwhelmed. But this just feels like a lip balm type of vibe, and I think it's perfect. So it's definitely a little more of a cool tone pink, and I really like it. I feel like these types of colors look great in pictures because it just seems more like obvious on your lips for some reason. So if you prefer a cool toned, beautiful, beautiful pink glossy lip product, you do have to reapply these because they're like not stains obviously, and looks great on the lips. Like has a great applicator, has a really gorgeous packaging, very photogenic, also, you know, looks good on the lips and is photogenic for your photos as well, then definitely check out Mistine. I'm like really selling it. Perfect wonyoung color, last but not least. All right, guys, that is pretty much the end of the video. All four of these lip products I love so much, and I have been loving recently so much. We'll link all of them down below if I can find them. Love them so much, and hopefully you guys will find this video helpful as well if you're looking for that perfect wonyoung lip dupe. I will definitely post more because I have so many of her dupes, I feel like, and I love lip products. I'm like obsessed, always have it in my bag. So yeah, like love me a good lippy. So that is pretty much the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed and made it until the end. Definitely subscribe, like, and check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.